Welcome back with me, David Setiabudi, and we are going to continue to the part 2 of Create Your Triad 5 game using Scratch Desktop, which the software can be downloaded in this link. Okay, now in this part 2, we are going to make an animation out of the character we draw before. It's getting interesting, guys. So let's go start making animation. Whoops, my hand is flying like that. Boo. Before that, we already create a character which has already grouped. A matchstick man. Now, we are going to create an idle animation which character is standing in the screen without moving. Okay, so when you don't press the keyboard, the character will still do animation. So this is the first one. The second one is we can create a new paint, or in the costume we can right click, duplicate. Okay, this is exactly the same. We just move a bit. I just press keyboard down a bit. And left a bit. So the animation will be like this. You can always check like this whether the animation is nice or not. You can press shift to choose two parts. You can always check and recheck like this. Okay, and then the second one and the fourth one should be the same. So 1, 2, 3, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So this one is the last animation. Okay, let's check. Okay, that one is for idle animation 1 to 4. So back again, we are going to create our first animation. So we go to the script or the code, go to the events. When it's clicked, and this one will go forever. The animation goes forever. Okay, if you do the animation like this, I'm not suggesting it. See, it looks like a terrified person. This one has no time in between, but we want to do a time in between. So changing pictures, changing costume, each, let's say 0.2 seconds. So I'm going to put a variable here, which is make variable animation timer. Okay, animation timer. Set animation timer at start is the same with timer. Okay, this variable is animation timer. Basically it's nothing, it's empty, but we make it equals to the real timer. And then at this forever, we are going to put an if statement. Okay, if statement here. If the timer this one and plus, okay, I'm going to put it here. If the timer is bigger than animation timer, plus 0.2 seconds, then it's changing costume. So it will change the costume every 0.2 seconds, and then the time will reset back. So here I need to duplicate. Okay, let's see. I'm going to check it first. Okay. See? The animation goes nicer than before. This one is prepared to fight. Okay. But what's next? Because we want to create some animation. It's not just changing 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next costume will be 5, 6, and 7. We want to separate 1 to 4 is an animation for ready or idle animation like this in the idle position. And the second one is walking animation. Okay? Just continue to my next tutorial and stay tuned.